This is AIPRM, a Chrome extension that allows you to do less prompt engineering and get better outcomes when using ChatGPT. So how it works is instead of having to come up with the prompt yourself to get the best outcome, you can leverage the community of people that have already created ChatGPT prompt templates. And all you need to do is enter the keywords in order to customize what outcome you're looking for. Okay, let's see how this works. So once you've successfully installed the Chrome extension, you'll open ChatGPT as you normally would. And what you will see is something different, as you can see here in the middle of my screen. You'll know that you are on the right Chrome extension because you'll see the AIPRM ChatGPT prompts, and you'll see a screen like this. These may be a little bit different depending on where you are, but let's go through this. So you have two tabs. You have the public prompts. This is the one that you get access to the entire community. So you have the ability to search by topic. You can search by activity. You also have by top views, top votes, and latest updates. Or you can simply type in a search term that you're looking for, and it will bring whatever matches that search term. Notice here that we have quite a few prompts, and this list obviously continues to grow. So there's something here for everybody. Now, the other cool thing about this is that if you start creating your own prompts, which I have started to do, this is a great way for you to simply have your list of prompts bookmarked here for you. So if you are doing something on a regular basis, you don't have to recreate that prompt every single time. So this is a great place to keep all of your prompts that you can either have private or you have the ability to make them public, which then keeps them under the own prompts, but also shares them and becomes available for the public prompts, that if anyone is doing a search, that they can find your prompt that is out there. A few other things to just be aware of. As of the recording of this video, you have access to create one prompt, and in order to create more than one that can be listed publicly, you have to have at least 5 likes on one of your prompts. So as you can see here, I have 2 prompts, and one of the prompts has 1 like. I have to get 4 more likes before I can make this one public. So this one is public and it's under my own, and this one will only stay in the private until I can get 5 likes here. So it's kind of a neat system to ensure that the prompts that people are making, that people are using them and they find value. So let's go ahead and try one of these prompts out. I'm going to select the have a YouTube expert create evergreen videos. The purpose of why I created this ChatGPT prompt template is I wanted to be able to take advantage of both a trend that was happening, but also tie it into an evergreen concept so that the video would take advantage of the trend and then also be able to be still relevant, 6 months, a year, 2 years, or whatever down the road. And so by doing this, I'm asking ChatGPT to create a YouTube script and help me to make that video relevant to more than just something that's going to happen in a short period of time. And so in this particular case, I click it, and you can see in the box below, it'll give me the title there. It tells me that who the author is, who has created this. And then I have the options to change these. I'm just going to leave them all at default. Then I have a hint of what I need to do in order to create the prompt. So it says, enter your trending topic. And the examples are ChatGPT or intermittent fasting or any trend that you can think of. I'm going to go with ChatGPT and press enter. The first thing that we're going to see here is it's going to take your trending topic, which mine was ChatGPT, and I asked ChatGPT to produce 10 evergreen themed ideas related to that keyword so that I could make sure that there was evergreen content created as well. So it's going to give you a list of 10 options. And at the end here, it's going to ask you to type in which number you want to connect your trending topic to. So we'll go ahead and select number 1. So on the bottom here, so let's say, what is ChatGPT? So I want to further explain what ChatGPT is and how it's going to be the next generation of AI chatbots. So I'll select number 1 and I'll press enter. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to do a few things. Number 1, it's going to give me keywords for the video title and description related to what is ChatGPT. And it's also going to provide me with a YouTube script, which is going to relate both the ChatGPT and then tie in that evergreen content that I was looking for. You'll either get something that is bulleted, depending on what it wants to produce, or you might get an actual full script with, voiceovers and content that it wants, that it's giving to you. But either way, you have some kind of template that you can work with in order to get the output that you're looking for. So go ahead and download the Chrome extension AIPRM. The link will be in the YouTube description. Once you have downloaded it and you are using it in ChatGPT, go to the public prompts and check it out. Like I mentioned to you before, there is something here for everybody. We have anything from SEO for articles, there's keyword search, YouTube script creators, things with Midjourney, and there's even writing a book, like right here, write a complete book in one click. There is something here for everyone. So check it out. And if you are wanting to create your own prompts, like I have here, then if any one of the prompts you want to make public, please put the link within the YouTube comments below. Would love to check it out and support you. And further to that, if you do create your own prompts, you have the ability to attach an external link to the author right here. So this can push out to either a YouTube channel or website or any product or service that you may be selling. So that's a cool thing for organic traffic. If you have something valuable to provide, then you have the ability to promote it within AIPRM. If you liked the video, click like, and we will see you in the next one.